Here you can see a bunch of different effects and presets, from anything like the basic animation presets, the transitions, color corrections, the text effects, and just so much more. At the top there's this great search function to navigate a little bit faster to find everything within this column. Then a nice feature is that we're able to actually save any type of animation presets. So for example, I have this pineapple particle animation. The very first part of it consists of two types of effects. I got the CC ball action and the CC radial blur. And with a little bit of adjustments I've done to the settings, plus some keyframing, whereas the scatter and twist angle for the former, and the amount, little bit of tweaking there for the radial blur. At the second half of the animation, I again used the second principle of animation, anticipating the movement of the pineapple leaves, going a bit upwards first, exaggerating the impact by kind of splashing out the pineapple's parts out of the whole screen, and yeah, just a massive exaggeration. I then put a CC radial fast blur on this one with some keyframing. And then going into the pineapple all pieces comp, I actually masked out each and every one of the pieces for this effect. Then pre-composed them and animated them as well using both the position and the scaling properties. Explode out of the frame. Marking these effects, we go to Save Animation Presets, find a new location within your user presets of the After Effects folder, and then just press Save. Next, that preset can very handy be found here under the Effects and Presets, and we're able to apply the preset with the effects and keyframes for any type of layer we wish. So, super useful one. We can organize the effects and presets by categories. We have the Finder folders or Alphabetical. Then show only 32 BPC or GPU capable effects only. And either show or hide effects and presets individually or together. If you're ever wondering where an effect or presets are hiding on the computer, then you can just go in and mark any effect and then reveal in Finder. Update or refresh list while diving into the Manage Effects. And we're able to search for or click on any effect we like to enable or disable for whatever type of reason. A last little tip here, if you're not really that familiar with actual effects and presets within After Effects, then a quite nice thing can be to download a software called Adobe Bridge, which can also be found in the Creative Cloud. Go into the Browse Presets, and with Bridge, a really handy thing is that you can possibly previewing almost any type of effects and presets, finding your folder for them. Go into any map for an overview, and then press Preview on the very right here to view it, just to get a little quick glance of how the effect will look like.